Okay, in this video, I'm going to show how to multiply two mixed fractions. Okay, this is my illustration. What's the product of 4 and 1/3 multiplied by 3 and 2/5? Uh, So, first is to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, say for example, 4 and 1/3. What is the improper, if we will convert this one to an improper fraction, what would be the equivalent fraction? So to do that, let's follow the steps. First step is to multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. So that would be 4, the whole number part, 4, multiplied by the fraction's denominator, 3. So that would be 4 times 3 equal to 12. Second, add that to the numerator. So add 12, 12 plus the numerator 1 equals 13. And then 3, write the result on top of the denominator. So 13 on top of the denominator. So the answer is 13 over 3. Now, if we do the same for 3 and 2/5, this is the result. Following the same steps, multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. 3 times 5, 15. And then add it to the numerator 2, 17. And then you write it on top of the denominator. So it's 17 over 5. Okay, so after converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction, the next step is to multiply the improper fractions. Ah, so originally we have 4 and 1/3 times 3 and 2/5. And the improper fraction for 4 and 1/3 is 13 over 3 and 3 and 2/5, 17 over 5. So what's the product or what's the value? What's the product rather? What's the product? So here are the steps. First is multiply the two numerators. So that would be 13 times 17. 13 times 17. The product is 221. Okay. And then B, second step, multiply the two denominators, 3 and 5. 15. And then letter C, multiply the new fractions. Multiply. Simplify, sorry. Simplify the new fractions. When you simplify, it means na you will factor out common terms para ma-reduce siya to simple form. So, okay, like 221 over 15. So since this cannot be simplified, then this will be the final value or this is the product of the two mixed fractions. But if you can factor out common terms, like what's the factor of 15? 3 and 5, di ba? Oh, but since 221 is a prime number, meaning no other factor except 1 and itself. So therefore, we cannot simplify further. Uh, so this is the product, but since the original form is mixed fractions, then let's convert this one to mixed fraction for our final answer. Okay. So the last step is to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Here are the steps. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case, we will do manual division. Okay. So I like this one. 221 divided by 15. Let's do a manual division. Okay. 221 divided by 15. We'll start with 22. Okay. 2 over 15 cannot be. So 22 divided by 15. Quotient is 1. Yeah. 1 times 15. 15. And then subtract 22 minus 15, you have 7. And bring down 1, you have 71. And then next is 71 divided by 15. The answer is 4. And 4 times 15, it's 60. And then subtract, you have 11. And 11 is less than 15, so stop na. Oh. So letter B is write down the whole number result. So the whole number or the quotient, this one, the whole number part is 14. And then use the remainder, this one 11, this is the remainder. Use the remainder as the new numerator over the denominator. This is the fraction part of the mixed number. So the answer is 14. And then the remainder being the new numerator over the denominator. New numerator niya over the denominator. And this is the fraction part, 11 over 15. That is the fraction part of the mixed number. So the answer is 14 and 11 over 15. So let's go back to this one. The product is this. 14 and 11 over 15. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you.